To enhance the aesthetic, the visual language chosen by the creative that will attract the attention of the target audience needs to be semiotically considered. We're not talking about a creative subjective style here, or what the creative likes, prefers, always does. We are discussing effective visual communication. We are discussing what the target audience needs to see, needs to know, and how they will positively respond. Hence, encoding, qualitatively speaking. Semiosis or sign action says it as it is, the action of the sign. What is the desired action? One that reinforces the message to be visually communicated. How does the visual elements of the communication begin to do this? Well, that is where the chosen visual aesthetic can be crafted through the nesting of various levels of semiotic signs to codify the message.